Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to BONK update. Today if you check the top right of the video, you're actually going to see invitation link for the private not invitation link, but the video of regarding what the private really is. Now a little bit for motivation here, I'm gonna go back to Adam Trades, this is the private channel called Adam Trades, where I post a trade. Okay, just as the name says, Adam Trades, when I trade. So am I trading right now? No, I'm not trading right now. Okay, and the thing is that I want to show you something here. I want to show you some of the messages that I'm actually posting out there for my members. Here it is. Number one, we took BONK at 2104 and I was trying to put the stop at 2062. And then I said, cancel BONK, don't see good intention. Right, this was back in 25. I think today's 27. I'm actually giving you live proof because a lot of the people who charge money, they even do not know when to exit something. They do not know if it's a good idea to hold something or sell something or not. So I gave the trade and I canceled it. How long did it take for me to cancel something? So this was back in 5:05 p.m. and I actually canceled it at 7:55 p.m. So nearly after 2 hours I actually canceled it because of technical analysis, chart reading, candle reading, chart pattern. You get to know how the candles are printing out, how they're closing, and then you get to process that information that, okay, is it a good time to continue to hold something or not, right? And this is what make my private really different from other people. And sorry if you think I'm promoting it, but I have to because I think it's pretty damn cool. And I said enter again, but we kind of exit that, we kind of close that as well. And then I took tone, all right? I took tone, I buy at 5.89, and then I canceled it. All in all, the summary was that we sold a meme, it dropped down. We exit on time, it actually dropped down. We sold Luna Classic and then it dropped down. We canceled tone, it dropped down. We sold Pepe in profits, it went down. We canceled BONK now, as I said, as I showed you on the message 2 days ago, and it's actually dropping. Knowing when to exit is not a child's play, it's a tricky as heck. Right, TA is helping in this department. And as far as BONK goes, I do remember we were talking about, if you watched yesterday's video, if you've been following the channel and you want to be a part of Discord, just comment Discord. I'm going to give you the invitation link, new link. Okay, the link actually does get expired after some time. I have to regenerate. Anyone who is genuinely interested, just say Discord and I'm going to give you. We don't need people who don't want to be there. I actually need genuine people who want to be there. Now, unfortunately here, BONK is doing something really, really bad, right? Previously, you kind of tried to hold the retest, but unfortunately, you have come down and it seems like the stop loss that I gave you, which is 1921 actually, is about to be taken away. And that actually is bad, right? I'm going to be honest with you here. It is bad because it is going to open up windows for even more drop to the downside, which means your pattern, this little bit of a pattern here, is probably not going to be very great, right? Maybe the next level of support we're looking at is going to be down here. So let's talk about BONK in the future at 1718. So if you do take out 1921, I do expect a 1718 price level. And if this one gets taken away, and the worst of them all is if you come to 1556 and you take out 1556, I'm going to tell you 990 is going to be the next technical target. Simple said. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.